Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our maths class. Students, today we are going to attempt our questions on workbook page number 190, and we have word problems related to our previous topic, that was area and perimeter. So students, first of all you have to understand the word problem and then you will attempt that question carefully. Question number 1, the perimeter of a square frame is 96 centimeter. Find its length. Students, as you can see here, the perimeter value is given, so it means we are going to add the formula of perimeter of a square. And what will be the formula of perimeter of a square? Length equals to perimeter divided by 4. After putting the values, you can get your answer, that will be 24 centimeter. Question number 2, the perimeter of a rectangular cardboard is 180 centimeter. The length of the cardboard is 52 centimeter. Find its breadth. Again students, you can see the shape is rectangle and the value of perimeter is given. Okay, it means we are going to add the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, and the formula is length plus breadth equals to perimeter divided by 2. After dividing them, you can get answer, that will be 90 centimeter. And then we want to find out the breadth as well, and for breadth we can write here 90, जो हमारा आंसर आया है उसका, ओके 90 minus 52, that is length. So we can get answer, that will be 38 centimeter. This is our breadth. Move to the next page. Okay, question number 1, the area of a rectangular signboard is 192 centimeter square. The breadth of the signboard is 8 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Students, again shape is rectangle, okay, and the given thing is here area. The value of area is 192 centimeter square. Okay, so first of all we have to add the formula of by using the formula of area of rectangle. Length equals to area divided by breadth. After dividing them, you can get answer, and we also want to find out the perimeter here. And how we can get answer of perimeter? Yes, we can get answer by adding all values of rectangle. Okay, all values of all sides of the rectangle, that will be 64 centimeter. Question number 2, the area of a square swimming pool is 100 meter square. Find the perimeter of the swimming pool. Again, swimming pool is a square shaped swimming pool is here, okay, and the given thing is area equals to 100 meter square, and we are going to put the formula of area of square. Okay, so area equals to length multiplied by length, and area is given, that is 100 meter square, and we will check the टेबल कि कौन सा टेबल में जो है 100 हमें मिलेगा, दैट विल बी 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. सो लेंथ ऑफ वन साइड इज 10 मीटर, and for perimeter we will add all the values, all sides values, okay, that will be 40 meter. Okay, move to the next page, page number 192. Students, this question is very interesting and a little bit tricky as well, so you have to do this question very carefully. You have to understand it first. Question is, the perimeters of square x and rectangle y are the same. Find the length of rectangle y and find the area of rectangle y. Okay, x shape is here square, 7 centimeter length is given. Okay, so students, they didn't give us any value of perimeter or area, but they just give us the hint of these two shapes, that is perimeters of square x and rectangle y are the same. This is our हिंट कि पेरीमीटर जो है, जो हमें किसी भी एक शेप का पहले से पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. सो इट मीन्स जो सेकंड शेप है ऑटोमेटिकली उसका पेरीमीटर जो है वो सेम हो जाएगा. सो हम कौन सा फॉर्मूला जो है वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि हमें जो है वो पेरीमीटर मिल जाए. That's why I'm going to enter the formula of perimeter of square x, because the perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by length. After putting the values, length is given here, that is 7 centimeter. We can find the perimeter of this square x, that is 28 centimeter. Students, अब हमें एक perimeter मिल गया. It means कि rectangle shape का भी perimeter क्या होगा, that will be 28 centimeter, क्योंकि हमें hint मिला हुआ था यहाँ पे. Okay, now the next part is find the length of rectangle y. Okay, अब हमने length find out करनी है rectangle y की. How we will do this? Length plus breadth equals to perimeter divided by 2. Again we are going to put formula here. Okay, then perimeter we have find 28 centimeter divided by 2. After dividing them, you can get the answer 14 centimeter, and length of rectangle 14 minus 4, 10 centimeter. In this way we have found the length of this rectangle, that is 10 centimeter. Now we are going to move towards part B. find the area of rectangle y. Now we are going to find the area of rectangle, that is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now the length was 10 centimeter and breadth was 4 centimeter, and after multiplying them you can get answer, that is 4 centimeter squares. 40 centimeters square. Okay students, I think you will do these questions very carefully and you have to do it very well. And if you have any query you can ask to me, okay? And please attempt your questions very carefully, and you have to learn these formulas again and again. Thank you so much students. Allah Hafiz.